Okay, so we are scratching another round of spicy hot win up to $400,000. It's the 4th of July. You might hear fireworks in the back. I hate fireworks and I like them at the same time, which is terrible. The older I get, I'm like, damn, why can't it be quiet? But I understand why they have fireworks. Let's see if tonight is fireworks on these spicy hot wins. I bought 10 of these. We are starting on number 21. So we got 26, 3, 15, 13. No winner there. Let's see. 22. So we got 13, 8, 22, 23. 13, 8, 22, 23. So we got 13. So we got a ticket on number 22. Number 23, 29, 13, 10. $29, 13, 10. Nope. So I apologize, this is number 24, that you're not going to be seeing this on July 4th, but I got a lot of videos, I have to edit them and all that stuff, so bear with me. Just imagine, just daydream that it is July 4th. So 7, 29, 24, 25. I'm a one-man show, doing the best I can. Nope. Number 25, 27, 24, 21, 2. Okay, so we got $5. So it looks like just $5 on that one. 26, 4, 11, 14, 18. 4, 11, 14, 18. Nope. Number 27, 14, 21, 5, 23. $28, 16, 27, 14, 19. So 19, ooh, $10. $20. So that one looks like $20. Good ticket. Number 29, 12, 5, 22, 24. 12, 5, 22, 24. Nope, no winner on that one as well. Last one of the night, number 30. 30, 21, 23. Oh, 21, $2. $5. Oh, what's that? $10? $10 on that one. So unless I got this wrong, we got 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. So 40 bucks on this play. I'll play again. I'll play something different. Almost got the money back. So not too bad of a night. I'll play again. Thank you for watching, subscribing. I'm about to go look outside, make sure these fireworks are not affecting my car. I'll see you in the next video.